Welcome back, pumpkin people. Today is transplanting day, and we're going with a 2250 Schmidt. The 2520 just didn't really pan out. Sorry, Mike. Let's just get the transplanting. We're gonna just set up the camera here and kind of show what we're doing live. It's kind of cool, right? I'm just gonna do a little explaining as I go here. So basically, what I'm doing here is just getting the right depth here for our 1 gallon pot. I'm gonna get the plant. We're going with the 2250 Schmidt. We were supposed to be around the 2520, but didn't quite pan out. The cots are really weird, and I don't know what happened with it. Sorry, Mike. But we still got the 2250, which is still a really good seed, and I'm excited to grow this one too. So appreciate the seed, Mike. So we're just gonna get that hole kind of how deep we want it. So now we're just gonna put mycorrhizal in the hole, and we're gonna put a little bit of azos just to get it to a good start here. This is always the scariest part of giant pumpkin growing, actually, is transplanting. It'll set you back a little bit. So I got some backups in the house, but I really don't want to go there. So for all you new people growing to giant pumpkins, the main is going to grow opposite the first true leaf. So we want to grow basically towards me. So you want that first true leaf pointing away from you, and that's how you know which way the plant's going to be vining. So that's about the right depth. Got pretty lucky there. Soil is going to be right at the top, right on these cots. I'm going to try to tilt it ever so slightly to encourage it to lay down. So next what I'm going to do is put some mycorrhizal in the hole. The reason I'm doing it today is tomorrow is supposed to be really rainy and cold, and I think that's a good day to transplant, just to get the plant used to just being outside. It's not gonna be hot tomorrow, and I don't really want to cook it on its first day out. So liberally, we're gonna put some mycorrhizal in the hole. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit, put a little more. All right, should be good enough for the mycorrhizal. Next, we're going to add a little bit of stream gardening azos to the hole. All right, this should be good. A couple of Wow Organic Wonder Superstar packs going in. We'll put three of them in there. I'll make direct contact with those roots. That should be good, just like this. All right, minimal damage, got half of it off. A little bit more support here in the back of the plant. Kind of like that. It's out. Backfilling, thank God. There it is. Where nightmares or dreams are created. All right, let's get this plant a drink. Thanks for tuning in, guys.